Hi guys, today for you I have the Japan Crate December box. I know this is late. I got a really bad cold for Christmas and I still kind of sick now. You can kind of hear it. I'm a little stuffy. But here is that box. It's just a nice, beautiful box with these little snowflakes and this little Christmas bow. And Japan Crate. And there's snowflakes. Oh, and then it says Happy Holidays here. Alright, let's open her up. So, I don't know if this is what they're going to be doing from now on, but the pamphlet looks like this. We got our little cute Christmas girl putting on our ornaments. And it's December. These are all Christmas themed. Box. Oh, I forgot to mention that this inside is all Christmas too, with bows, candies, and other stuff. So this is the Soyogi crate or whatever. And this is our inside. It says, "What's in your crate?" So we got the mini, the original, and the premium. And then they give you your little vegetables. And then on the back are the directions for the DIY. And then some small photo collection. Okay, so things that we'll be getting in our mini and original is Christmas Shimiko corn, my favorite. I love these corn things. There's little things flapping out. Yeah, it's this one. So it says Merry Christmas on it. And it is chocolate one, my favorite. So the next thing is Christmas Ubai. Here he is here. Is this corn flavored again? Oh, nope, this is a chocolate one. So maybe it'll be a little bit like our little other one there. And next is Christmas Furame. Is it that? No. No, not that one. Not that one. Oh, wait, what? I'm not quite finding it, so I'll come back to that one. It's probably got, actually, you know what, I think it might be this, maybe? I got a different character, so we'll come back to that. The next thing in our box is Constantine chocolate. Right here with this little cute angel girl on it. And the next is buttercream roll cake. Because, you know, roll cake is sort of a Christmas traditional thing. Next is Christmas caramel corn. It looks like this. They are Christmas tree shaped. Not sure what flavor this is, but we'll find out. The next thing in our original is our, it's a Minions themed DIY kit. We'll be able to do this. It's pretty easy enough, but it talks about putting an ice cube in it. And I really don't have an ice cube at that time to do that. Next in is Christmas corn porridge. Oh, actually, this is the chocolate ubai. This one, I believe, is the corn porridge one. We've been getting a lot of those corn porridge ones a lot, so I probably won't taste that. And next is the Christmas chocolate decafu. Where'd it go? I just had it. Is this right here? The next is the Almondale Red. What is this? It says a festive apple candy brings you the experience of dashi shop right to your home. Enjoy it, fun, busy taste. It says number 9. So, okay, so I probably won't taste that. Alright, first thing. Alright, sorry about that. So, the first is the Christmas corn chocolate thingies that are my favorite. So we'll try those. They look like they always look. Just same as always. You can put your to and from on the back here. So the next thing is the Christmas Ubai, the chocolate one, which is this. Ooh, that looks good. It reminds me of that really big, long stick one that we had. That was shipped in a baseball bat. That's really good. It's a chocolate with the Ubai in the center. The next is the Christmas Ramen candy. Where'd it go? I'm losing my treats, guys. Oh, here it is. And there it is there. I think it's soda flavored. So that's classic ramen. So it's basically whistle candy. It's got like a brown color. Yep, classic whistle candy. Huh. So next is the Constellation chocolate. It looks like this. It says the summer zodiac symbol is Sagittarius. A Capricorn, which constellation did that you get this chocolate covered biscuit. So the cookie is going to have some sort of constellation on it. We got Aries, the ram. You know what? That's my birth month. I think it's, yeah, Aries. I got my birthday month. I'm so happy. Woo! I got my birthday. So basically it's a cracker that's covered in chocolate. So those are all things that you'd be getting in your mini. Now we're going to switch over to the original. Next is the Christmas caramel corn. Let's get my scissors. The last one I got of these was the Busy one, which was really cool. So their classic shape. So that tastes like a regular caramel corn thingy. The next is the DIY kit, which I'll do later. Now we're doing Christmas corn porridge. Actually, we've had the corn porridge, so I'm going to skip that one. You could check my other videos on those. And now we're going to try the Christmas chocolate daikafu. It says, be merry with this traditional Japanese sweet. Daikafu is mortified, is mochi filled with red bean, but also can become many other flavors, such as this much chocolate. So we're having a dark chocolate one. So it kind of looks like a marshmallow. That's really good. And then the last thing is this hard candy, which I'm not going to try. And I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.